Hey there, what's up guys? My name is Clay and this is the Mad Hatter Media channel. And in this video I'm going to talk to you guys a little bit about the Google Pixel 5, more specifically the Google Pixel 5 camera system, and even more specifically than that, night sight. Okay, so getting right into it, for those of you who aren't already aware, Google Pixel 5 comes with a 2-camera system. They added an ultra wide this year, and it uses the same IMX363 camera sensor that they first debuted in the Google Pixel 3. So it's no secret that I'm a big fan of Google's image processing, and using night sight mode is no exception. Night sight mode increases the duration of the exposure time and allows you to bring out colors and vibrancy in situations and scenes to where you normally would not be able to do that. Okay, so here's a picture of a directory sign, and let me tell you, it's darker than what it looks like in that image. Now it does help that there was a lantern as a source of fairly soft light in close proximity to this directory sign, but the Pixel still did an excellent job coming into excellent focus and was still able to pull out a good amount of vibrancy. So a really good job embellishing the subject and creating good separation from the background in low light. Okay, in this one, as you can also see, we have excellent demonstration of it maintaining all the smoothness of the shadows, and overall, again, just handles the light source very well. Here's another photo where night sight can prove to be just stunning, and it proves to retain very good dynamic range, even in these low light situations. Really just love the overall final product of a lot of these photos. Okay, so here's a town view of just before dusk. Now it's getting increasingly darker here. It was still able to pull out quite a bit of detail, but again, images like this here that really sort of have a little bit of a lack of depth start to remind you that it's a phone that you're shooting this on. Alright guys, so last but not least, another really cool thing that I found when using night sight on the Pixel system is that you can actually use the night sight mode during really any time of the day or whatever lighting situation you want, and regardless of the situation, it will still prolong the exposure and boost the colors. And I've actually had a lot of good luck bringing out beautiful vibrancies with some of the casual phone photographies that I've taken. I'll go ahead and put those on the screen now. Okay, so like I said, I was just really able to bring out beautiful colors and contrast. And these are all edited, of course. So now the wagon pic was, of course, taken in the same spot. And then we've got this pic of this red flower plant thing. I really honestly don't even know what it is or what it's called. If you do know, feel free to comment down at the bottom. But regardless, it looks pretty dang good. And again, excellent separation from the subject in the background. I really don't think that anybody would really even guess that this photo was taken on a phone unless I actually straight up told them. Finally, one last one. This is when all the fires in California were super bad. So the smoke completely filled the sky, and coincidentally, there was also a red moon. So it just ended up making for a pretty cool picture, especially reflecting off of the water. But anyway guys, I wanted to keep this video relatively short. So yeah, I've been able to produce some really cool images using night sight. And the fact that it's just something you pull out of your pocket, you really can't beat it. I've also been thinking about doing some of the astrophotography on it. Let me know if you guys want to see a video on that. But other than that, that's going to do it. I'll see you guys in the next video.